Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate three different types of shaders which are Fong, Cook Torrents and Toon. I will apply the results of shaders on teapot because it is easy and understandable on this model. So let's start. You have to press P for Fong demonstration, C for Cook Torrents and T for Toon shader demonstration. So now I'm pressing P. Fong reflection is an imperial model of local illumination. It describes the way a surface reflects light as combination of ambient, diffuse and specular light. It is based on observation that shiny surface have small intense specular highlights while dull surface have large specular highlights. Now you can spot a very small white light on the middle of the teapot. So I can increase and decrease this light. So for increasing it, I'll press G. Now you can see it's becoming bigger and bigger. Now if you have to make it small, I'll press H key. So you can see that the specular light is becoming smaller. In Fong shader, the specular light will be focused on one point only. Now let's see Cook Torrents. To see the demonstration, you have to press C. Cook Torrents is best to showcase reflection of metals, plastics or mirrors. In this type, bounce light is scattered across the surface rather than be focused on one point like Fong. In this type, Fresnel value determines how light is scattered on the place. Roughness determines spread of specular highlight and specular reflectance adjusts the intensity of the specular highlight. Now you can see the light is gathered in one small place. If I'll increase the roughness by pressing I, you can see the light is distributing all over the place and the change in teapot. If you have to decrease the roughness, you have to press J. Now let's see. Yeah, now again the light is gathering at one place. Now let's see the last shader, which is Toon shader, which is also called as shell shader. To see the demonstration, you have to press T. Toon shader is a type of non-photorealistic rendering. They are a good way to create cartoony look. This technique uses a single dot product to calculate intensities of a light source to give a scene this structure. In some cases, Toon shader not uses the specular light. However, if it is needed, Fong shader specular highlight can be used. Here you can see there is a small white light which can act as specular light. Here you can see there are four levels of light. You can increase or decrease that levels. By pressing L, you can increase the levels. Yeah, now you can see there are more levels in the teapot. If you have to decrease the levels, you have to press M. Now you can see the levels are decreasing. This is all for the video. Thank you.